Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. Yesterday was the Keto Brick Pumpkin launch, and we are about to be packaging up today. Got Kara over here. She's going to be printing out all your labels, and these guys are going to be packaging all of your bricks.
We're going to be some packaging fools today.
So we're going to ship those out today, but there's something right here that Robert is highly missing out on. You gonna explain yourself?
Yeah, so yesterday I procrastinated. I was supposed to make them on Friday and Saturday to test them out, but I made two of these guys. It's a Keto Brick pumpkin pie cheesecake, and I had a slice last night. It's actually pretty good, so
you use...
Yes, I used the Keto Brick
the pumpkin Keto Brick in that thing. Alright guys, we're gonna get to packaging. Officially finished packaging all the bricks with just the four of us.
Yeah.
No Robert needed.
No Robert needed.
Just kidding. We love Robert. He was here via text message.
All day.
All right, are you guys whooped?
Yeah, just a little bit.
You guys ready to come back tomorrow?
Long day.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's do it.
Cool. All right. Well, peace out, guys.
Peace.
What's up, guys? Just made it back from the post office. Every brick that was purchased on Sunday has been dropped off. It is on its way to you. It was a super awesome day being in there with the crew. I absolutely love launch days. It's just a day full of feeling like blessed and just grateful for every single one of you guys that does purchase from us. Yeah, just feeling super awesome. Talked to Robert. He feels super blessed as well. He is so sad he could not be here. He was literally texting us all day long. But a very, very, very sincere thank you to all of you guys from me and Robert for your support, for purchasing a brick, for purchasing apparel. We cannot thank you guys enough. So anyways, I just thought I'd close the clip for today. Thank you again, sincerely from myself and Robert. And again, he apologizes he couldn't have been there today. But yeah, all your guys' bricks are on their way to you. And thank you guys so much. We love you.